So kung dati wala kang interaction na pwedeng gawin sa website, but just to consume and to read yung content, so ngayon meron na. So kaya may mga web application ang tinatawag, no? Kasi meron ng user interaction.
The intelligence says that they are going to make their move during the test.
Then, the soldiers outside.
Kain siya na ahas. Hilaw pa yung kinakain niya. Okay, so mag-new game tayo ng
This isn't America.
Punta ako Maid Cafe tapos papatawag ako ng sama. Oh, yes! All gano'n. Di ba? Punta tayo ng Akihabara. Di ba? Magpapaka-weeb talaga ako doon. Pag pumunta ako ng Japan,
You're pretty good. Pretty good.
You'll have to handle that one on your own. It'll only slow you down.
I wonder if I can find more of them out in the wild.
sa may dolls. Habang dahil dyan.
We'll rendezvous with you there.
Roger.
What about the sentries?
I managed to get past them.
I see.
What about the boss?
We lost contact with the boss some time ago.
Banged up, but breathing. And waiting up ahead for you.
But I was supposed to have 3 escorts.
Parang Star Wars themed nila. Yun, okay siya, no? Pero parang kung sasabihin mo na sobrang sulit niya, hindi ko mag-gauge eh. Parang feeling ko hindi eh. No, for that time no.
See my technique? It was perfect.
rent. Kasi nga parang very negative din naman yung rent kung iisipin mo. Na parang kunyari, kung bibili ka ng let's say a AAA game day 1, tapos you spending lang sa sa hot seat, diba? May mga demandahan na, may mga investigation nang nangyayari, no? O, diba? Sa mga whistleblower, yung mga ganyan-ganyan.
Who's that?
Ano tayo?
Let me know if.
What's this?
Mga recent na nangyari sa PS, no? Yung tipong nagkaroon ng, ano tawag doon? Nagkaroon ng parang, down or ano tawag doon? Amen. No? So, medyo strict siya at that point. Pero, someone, no? Nagtanong din sa HR namin about halos wala akong experience, no, to work with. Pero ayun nga, at least dito sa atin, no, Japanese, no, I also have experience working with Japanese. So yun nga,
Sokolov is said to be the man most responsible for the multi-engine cluster used in that rocket. After Gagarin's flight, Sokolov left rocket development to become the head of the
Okay guys, wait lang.
so ngayon, yung tanong kanina ni, so yung tanong na parang if decentralized ba ang Web3. So depende yan sa stakeholder. Kung halimbawa
towards Ripley on the hunt.
Wait.
To get the game. Despite na wala na sa picture tong platform natin, 'di ba? So we can still download the game. Pero that is not the case, 'di ba? Kasi nga ganito sila. So paano pa malalaro yung game? Kasi nagre-require ng internet, 'di ba? Yun yung keyword din, nagre-require ng internet. Yung mga modern consoles ngayon nagre-require na ng internet for you to, you know,
Enemy. Hikaru has betrayed us! The embassy is proof! And all of you marshals are his accomplices! For this, I condemn.
yung mga bumibili, yung mga tatay, no? Yung mga tito. Ayop yan. Sayang. Ako ito, nagwo-work daw habang nag-chat dito. Oh, grabe si TJ, oh. Oh, 'di ba? Work from
Di ba Hozuki na to?
Flying over the Arctic Ocean, altitude 30,000 feet, approaching Soviet airspace. Arriving at the designated drone launch point. Drone oil pressure and voltage are nominal.
My place is with them now.
yung ginagamit nila. Kasi nga drive sila sa Ethereum. Which is, I think, ano din ang Ethereum, nag-proof of work din siya. Pero yung bagong version na ngayon kasi, proof of stake na siya.
As the sun rises over a land at war, so too
Sa lahat ng bagay. Steady lang, Claudia, steady lang. Ano to? Alam mo, grabe kayo, no? Sana all daw ganyan yan. Ganyan, di ba? Alam na, propaganda, di ba? Node lang daw ng intro FMB, ginudge na daw agad. No? Nare-release sila sa mga modern system ngayon because of some sort of reverse engineering tsaka parang filling the gap.
What's this?
yung art nung casing, yung CD, no? Tapos i-burn yung CD. So maraming proseso, 'di ba? So maantala yung resupply. Oh, ito yung mga nominees. Ito yung mga nanalo. And if you think kung yung Dragon Age is hindi siya deserve na maging Game of the Year because of the
Akin mo bumibending. Bleh.
no? I don't know kung saan nila nakukuha yung kanilang income, no? Or baka dahil sustentado pa sila or what. Pero dito sa atin, no? For you to have at least
From barbarian.
Ahem.
Ah,
Yes, the one who cleared.
we appreciate your service.
Didn't you just give the signal?
Both sides.
klimang Pilipinas din dun eh. Mas na-enjoy ko yung red light district doon. Alam mo sir, grabe ka sa red light, no? Alam mo, nung time na yun kasi
Peace mustn't interrupt their son.
Huh.
Yeah, well, but overall, they're not that it matters. Maybe.
Well, if I'm up that way.
Two, Black Ops 1, Ghost. Yung Ghost sa PS4 na yun, yung nalaro ko eh. Advanced Warfare. Diba? Yun yung mga nalaro ko. Ito, Shadowfall, no?
Excellent. Amazing. I never.
Ng Sony, no? Yung NFT. So ngayon, since yung game minint natin, no? NFT na siya. So, nasaan yung game mismo itself?
Save yearly attention.
Ah, the bristlebacks, of course. Got to get rid of them if you want that embassy to take place. Well,
Is base, no? Pero before Ethereum before Ethereum, so meron tayo natawag na Bitcoin, which is something different.
Clans. If there are fewer from the Sky Clan, it can't be helped.
he's right. Sound the horn.
What's going on?
Not all Tenakth can stomach.
Parang apat yata o 5 chapter.
12, 'di ba? So that's why. Wala anto? Sorry, ang sabi ni TJ, wala muna lang ako
Won't risk it. That said, we can't allow.
I'd need to be on.
Then I wish you luck. The gates will open, and don't worry about your friends.
I appreciate it.
Good work, Jack.
What are you doing here?
Promote you, huh? Let it through, boys. Saving the world.
paano kung halimbawa gusto mo ng something na itong data na to, totally mawala dyan sa record na yan, and gusto mo sa'yo lang, ikaw lang meron. Diba? Guys, no? Okay din naman sa HK, no? Si TJ, pupunta na Hong Kong. O, pasalubong daw. Peking duck. Peking duck daw, TJ, sabi ni Jemima.
What a thrill with darkness and
Kahit kanino yung exe ng game, 'di ba? Sorry. Available yung exe ng game. So, technically speaking, hindi siya mawawala.
Ayun yung cradle. Up.
Game na very passionate sa ginagawa nila. Oh, yun na lang, yun na lang paniwalaan nyo. Huwag na yung mga giorno like, I don't know, ignorance. Like ignorance.
Ang lakas umiscore na itong flashlight.
We'll rendezvous with you there.
Roger.
What about the sentries?
I managed to get past them.
I see.
What about the boss?
We lost contact with the boss some time ago. You know where it is?
No problem. I can see it from here. It's stuck on a branch.
To climb a tree, stand in...
Yun yung very unfair. Ay, yung may example natin sa Nintendo. 'Di ba? Yung takedown nila sa Ryujinx. 'Di ba? Very unfair 'yun para kay Nintendo.
Very smart. You were asking to have your gun jam on you. Besides, I don't think you're cut out for an automatic in the first place. You tend to twist your elbow to absorb the recoil.
Ang company na parang capitalist oriented. 'Di ba? Na parang I don't know, I mean masyado ding malalim yung discussion na Pero during 2015, 2017, no, until 2019 ata ng Easy Allies, ayun yung parang pinaka-peak nila for me.